Okay, so sorry about that little detour of the party last night.
I don't need them, they need me!
But I'm glad it did. It was pretty cool. I've obviously put up a little bit more absorption, some diffusion. One issue that I'm really running into that I really didn't realize or think about was the fact that I have a door right here next to my listening position that I'm going to be primarily mixing and making music from. I would like to put 2 acoustic panels here on the opposite end of it at my listening position to help with those early reflections. This door is a door, and being that it's a door, it's going to be hard for me to obviously put another acoustic panel right next to it to kind of close that gap and help with those early reflections. I'm literally just going to have to take a listen and see how it feels, just how it's arriving at my ear. I'm pretty good. I'm waiting for my desk to come. You see the floor with the oh, this is amazing. And now I have a lot of storage as well that it comes with, and now I can do product placement stuff. I can close this. It's awesome. I'm also waiting for acoustic panels, and I'm really trying to figure out my bass traps. I'm trying to figure out if I want to make bass traps myself, because remember, I am on a budget. I'm trying to figure out if I want to make bass traps myself or I'm going to buy some. To be honest, they're extremely expensive for bass traps, and I really want to attack these corners where that low end and stuff like that builds up. Okay, so basically H&B, my other studio in Brooklyn, is finally done with operation. We had our last session literally yesterday. So now I'm gonna go to that studio and start to take the equipment and stuff that I want from there so I can bring it to the house and keep this build going. Also, my sister is coming with me. She decided, I didn't know she liked me enough to ride in the car with me, but I'm really excited about it. Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, Jay says hi, everyone. Say it again, Jay.
Hey, everybody on the vlog.
There we go. Jay has now made it to the vlog. Long story short, we're at HMD Studios, which is my studio in Brooklyn. I'm looking around and I'm trying to figure out where the heck or what am I gonna do with a lot of this stuff. Most of this stuff is gonna be sold, of course, but I'm now looking around and deciding what am I going to take from here that's gonna come with me. So I'm definitely gonna take that 50-inch screen TV. I'll take that Ring system. This one I'm definitely taking. Then we have the actual studio.
Okay. So we are here at the studio.
You're wasting footage. For sure. Beautiful place. Feels bad. I feel bad we gotta let it go, but we're letting it go for good reason. Let's pick out what we want to take from here. I want these white speakers, being that our studio is full of white accents. I'm going to sell this Neve Portico. If someone wants to spend $4,500 to me, you can send that to me whenever you're ready. I'll send it right out. I'm taking this Prism Sound Titan with me because now instead of 8 channels, I'll have 16 channels, which I'm super excited about because now this will allow me to get into Atmos probably at some point. Probably the only thing that's really coming home with me is this Prism Sound Titan. This preamp, I don't really need it. I could take it, but I'm probably gonna sell that too. I'm definitely gonna sell that microphone that's coming home with me today. It's a TLM 103 Neumann, like mad common. Damn, we gotta get rid of this desk too. Oh, there's another sub. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I got a KRK sub down there too. All right, let's do it. Look at these headphones. Feel like they've been through everything. Let me show you. So she thinks this. Yeah, that's what you think it does? Yeah, that's what it does? Okay, cool. Yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay. Do your thing.
It looks like it.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. All right, this thing is on. I have my diffusers in here in spots that I felt were very, very powerful to be in. For instance, I have a diffuser right here on the right-hand side. I noticed when I walked to that spot right here that I was feeling like I was getting a little bit of cancellation and that some certain things were just disappearing. So once I put a diffuser there, I noticed that things came back. Certain things just felt more focused. I'm about to start tuning the room, but those are the little things I noticed just kind of starting to get into the process of actual tuning. So I promised myself I wasn't gonna cry today. But I'm gonna cry. My desk is here. Let's go see her. Oh, it's about to be a long day. Okay, so let's talk about the strategy and plan for today. Basically, what I'm planning to do is, and what I've thought about so much is, this desk is of course gonna be the main desk where all my audio equipment and things of that nature is, computer, the whole nine. The desk that was originally there in the front, we're gonna take that desk and move it and shift it over to the side. Because not only is this gonna be a recording studio, but a content creation place, video editing and the whole nine. So that second desk is pretty much gonna be my podcast station, as well as the video editing station. So there's gonna be some racks there. There's gonna be a cloud lifter, a Behringer headphone amp, most likely the Inbox Studio, and everything on the other desk. So basically we're gonna shift everything as far as the original desk over to the side, and we're gonna take this bad boy and put this in the front. Okay, so I brought everything inside, and it's fairly simple so far. Like literally this is already done, and the other side is already done as well. I'm super excited because it doesn't look like it's gonna take me that long to build this, knock on wood, just in case. But yeah, now we're just gonna clean up inside of the actual studio and get rid of all of that stuff that's inside of there and switch it over to the other side. Also, big shout out to my guy Jay Rose at Professional Audio Design that helped me get this desk, set it up for me, shipped it to me super duper fast, and just picking out and getting me the desk that I wanted. Big shout out to him. Thank you so much, Jay Rose. I appreciate you. Professional Audio Design. Couldn't have done this without y'all. So my desk is here. Now, one thing you notice is this desk is all black, and I said that I wanted white accents in my studio. So shout out to my guy Jay Rose again, because he suggested to me, hey, why don't you just wrap the desk in car vinyl? And I was like, oh wow, which allows me to get even more creative. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attempt to wrap this desk in car vinyl, a nice glossy white car vinyl that I'm gonna try and do in this desk. Am I a professional? No. Am I willing to try? Absolutely. So we're gonna try and wrap this desk. I've never done this before. I know people that do this for a living are like, no, but just give me a chance and we'll see how this turns out. Wrapping my desk. I've never done something like this before, but so far so good. This is looking super cool. Look at the glossiness of it. This is gonna be really cool. Let's keep trying. If it doesn't work out, then so be it. I'm ripping it off and that's it, but I'm just giving it a shot just to see if I can do it. Okay, so right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to use this mic that I got a while ago from SonarWorks. And basically what this mic is going to do is it's going to do a calibration of my room and basically tell me where it's not flat, where there are dips, where there are boosts from in the frequency range